Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm about to show you a kind of overpowered strategy with the new tornadoes. One of the things about the tornadoes is that you can't shoot people while you're in them. People can shoot you though, and that's kind of annoying because you get shot from everywhere. But if you just drive a car into the tornado, you can do this. It's the most insane thing ever. Wait, let me see if I can try to get shot at something. I just don't see the light. Where was that? But still, look, you can just have a car in a tornado and just shoot people from anywhere you want in the tornado. It's just dumb, kind of. Like, just a straight up floating car. Also, if you want, you can just do that. Time to fly around a tornado. Yeah. But still, wait, I want to see if I can try to get back into the car. Where did it go? Where did the car go? You should be able to get back into the car. I just can't find mine. That's weird. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching this video and have a good day.